Welcome to the Top 5 channel. Before starting, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new updates when it comes to deciding on a place to travel. Just like there are lists of the best hotels to stay in and the best places to visit, there should also be a food dishes list to narrow down the best items around the world. And since we may not be able to travel to every country on Earth, a great way to get a taste of a culture is to sample its signature dishes. Try cooking up a storm in your kitchen, or when dining out is on the cards again, find a great restaurant and let your taste buds set sail on a culinary adventure across the globe. When it comes to ranking, food and drinks can be very subjective as tastes differ from person to person. So it is hard to say what is the best food ever or what the best dish in the world is. So in this episode, we will not rank the food, we will just list the most 5 famous dishes in this world. Falafel is one of the most iconic foods to come out of the Middle East. Falafel balls are made of deeply fried chickpeas, fava beans, or both. It is often wrapped in a sandwich or eaten alone as a part of the meze. It is believed to originate from Egypt, and it is a traditional food in Egypt, Lebanon, Jordan, and Palestine. Today, falafel is a popular street food not only in the Middle East but around the globe. Turkish doner kebab is a famous street food that can be found today pretty much everywhere in the world. Turkish doner kebab has evolved from an ancient Middle Eastern cooking technique to a fast food sandwich beloved around the world. Doner kebab is the Turkish name for meat cooked on a vertical spit or rotisserie. The caramelized outer layer of meat is shaved off and served over rice or in a flatbread sandwich. Doner means to rotate, while the word kebab broadly refers to meat cooked on skewers over a fire. In Arabic, doner kebab is known as shawarma. Hamburgers are one of the most famous and popular dishes around the world. Probably it's the most famous sandwich in the world. Hamburger is flattened, and typically round minced meat is placed between slices of bun or roll bread and accompanied by tomatoes, cucumbers, cheese, onions, pickles, lettuce, and bacon. Usually, some mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, or some sauce is added. While there are some theories about hamburgers originating in Germany, these popular sandwiches have been widely consumed in the USA, and this is where they reached their world fame. Hamburger is considered to be the national dish of the USA. If you're looking to introduce Japanese cuisine, sushi is a great place to start. This famous Japanese dish is one of the top famous foods around the world. It is considered the country's national dish. Sushi continues to grow in popularity both in Japan and around the world. This is likely because it is a healthy, versatile, and affordable dish that people of all ages can enjoy. It is made of vinegared rice with seafood, vegetables, and sometimes tropical fruits. Vegetarian sushi is quite popular as well, while there are many types of sushi depending on the ingredients. Pizza is a word not only known in many countries, but it is a food that is celebratory, comforting, or just plain tasty any time of the day or evening. It can be made at home, ordered, or purchased in eating establishments or grocery stores. Italian pizza is probably the most famous food in the world. It originated in Italy, but it crossed the borders of Italy a long time ago, and nowadays it is consumed all over the world. Pizza is the top most liked food in the world. Today you can find pizza in almost every corner of the world. This traditional Italian dish is made of flattened round dough topped with cheese and tomatoes, and additionally garnished with basil, olives, oregano, and numerous toppings. Share with us in the comments your favorite dishes.